Let us make a tasty pancake today. Please make note of ingredients you need to make a pancake. The ingredients are: egg, half a cup milk, 2 tablespoons butter, melted, 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, honey to taste. Step 1. Beat eggs until foamy, then add milk, melted butter, and mix. Step 2. Add flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Step 3. Heat a frying pan over low heat and spread butter. Step 4. Add the pancake batter and form it into a round shape in the frying pan. Turn the dough over when the surface pops. Your pancake is ready to serve. Serve with additional honey or butter according to taste.